Hi y'all. This is Wanda from Wanda's Workbasket, for all things creative and crafty, with a little bit of inspiration mixed in. I'm coming to show you some unbagging. This one is from Peintre, Peintre.com. The link will be down below. I just wanted to check out this company for you and show you what it might be like. So I have a couple diamond paintings and I have some other goodies from them to show you. Pull them out of the box here. They are a company from China. So please watch and make sure that you know if it's a copyrighted image or not. I encourage you not to buy uncopyrighted images. If it does not have the artist's name on the bottom, and you've seen it as an image on other places that have it, or you do a reverse search, please do not buy images that are not licensed to the artist. It's just, I believe artists deserve to get a portion of what they created. I believe they should get paid for their work. Anyway, here is, I bought a magnetic frame. This is a 40 centimeter magnetic frame. And I'm going to show you how they work a little bit. It's really hard to get in and out of the package here. Okay. One side will have, you'll get 4 pieces. Okay. One side will have a loop, like a rawhide loop attached to it. And there'll be 2 pieces that are connected with a magnet. You snap your diamond painting in there and close it. And then you can hang it from that. To keep it straight and hanging straight, you put these 2 on the bottom end. And that's a magnetic frame. Super, super easy. What I like to do in order to prep my canvases for that is either you can paint the edges, or you can trim them off so that they don't stick out over the 40 centimeter length of the magnetic strip. You can put some kind of duct tape or whatever around the edges, or some other kind of framing edging on it. They come in all different sizes, not just the 40 centimeter. So get one that will fit your painting that you intend to put in it. And they come in different colors. So get something that suits your needs. So right here I have a magnetic frame. I am going to be doing a framing video on all different types of ways to frame things. So that will be one way that will be included in the video. I bought 2 of these pouches. Now, these are plastic pouches. These are plastic pouches, and they are big. They are really big. Okay? They come with an iridescent plastic handle, iridescent plastic piping up the side. There is a clear plastic pocket up here that you can slide a piece of paper in with an identification on it. It comes with a big zipper across the top, and nice and sturdy. Oh, the traffic outside is horrible. I am sorry. And it's fairly clear, so you can see what project you have inside of it. I got these to hold a light board, a light, light box. These are 25 by 19 inches, or 63.5 by 48 centimeters. So you can get a fairly large light box in it, and a diamond painting, and all the drills and accoutrements. You can kind of keep it, if you like to kit up several of them at a time, you can keep one kitted up in one of these while you're finishing another one. So those are those. right. I have 3 paintings I'd like to show you. We'll do the small one first. Small is a relative term, isn't it? Let's see, I want to keep the plastic for that. This is a 50 by 80 centimeter. It is like a rainbow waterfall. Isn't that amazing? These are all rounds. I do not like to get square drills from companies outside of the ones I trust in the United States. I just don't have good experiences with them. So, beautiful, beautiful colors. The drills, these are all kitted up. Again, this is from Diamond Peintre with a unique spelling, and I will, again, link that down below through the company. Alright, they come in already baggied. The DMC numbers are on the legend at the side of the canvas. On this one, they're not on the bag itself. So I will probably put a sticker on each one with the DMC number on it as I kit them up. And the drill fields, you see if you can see the drill field up close. Not too bad. I see some darks on dark that may be a little difficult. Yeah, that may be a little difficult to see. They do have a little bit of a guide circle on it, but not so that it would impede the correct color from coming out from behind it, I believe. So I'm alright with that. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright. You roll these up in here, and they came with the basic kits, the basic little green boat kits. On the bottom, it does give you a Facebook group to join. You put the rainbow waterfall down. Open the other one. I'm trying out all these different companies so that I can give you a better understanding of the different companies that are out there, ones that you might like to try, ones that you might want to avoid. I have an Excel spreadsheet coming that will rank different companies by different criteria. You can determine what criteria is more important to you than others, and go from there. Alright, they must have gotten this one from a different manufacturer because the kits come in a little different way, and I'll show you. Yep. Cute little pickup truck. And somebody noticed that it was had a beagle on the front. Me and beagles. Yep, it's a Christmas truck. Yep, it is a, let's see, I don't see a size on this masterpiece. Maybe it's on, this one came with an inventory sheet. Nice big inventory sheet. It did not come with a size. But it does come with the sequence number, the symbol, and the DMC color number on it. Each of the drills are in the tiny little packs, and they come with the DMC number on it. So you'll have to kit them up in a way that makes sense for you. Nice bright colors. They are all rounds. You don't really see the dirt in them until you get them apart. But they have a flat back. I don't see any, well, there is indents in some of them. So they are acrylic drills. They're not resin. And that means you'll have to watch for any curving or flashing, any trash that's within them. Okay. So that's this one. Alright, let me roll this one back up. They're fairly big. They're not small paintings. Let's see. There we go. Oop. Back in the baggie. Tape. That's Santa's pickup truck. And this one, if you like old-fashioned paintings, if you like Victoriana, if you like angels, you will like this one. Again, it's a big one. It's beautiful. It says 25 for December 25 on the bottom, but it has all kinds of Victorian ephemera angels, tops and bottoms here. Has bells on the top. I know angels are not really women and children and cherubs, but the Victorians made them in a sweet fashion in this way, and they're beautiful. So if you like Victorian ephemera, if you like angels, if you like a Christmas type of painting, you will like this one for sure. It comes with the same type of inventory sheets and the drills in the same fashion as the last one in their individual packs here. Same drills. I'm hoping you get a little bit of a sense of the colors in here. To take them all out would be nuts to put them back together. Okay, so this is what I purchased from diamondpainter.com. The link will be below to the company. And put this back together. As I'm rolling this back up, don't forget to like and subscribe. On your way out, don't forget that we have Tea and Talk Tuesdays, Tuesday nights, from 10 p.m. to at least midnight Eastern Standard Time, where you can talk to the rest of the workbook family. And let's discuss our diamond paintings, our tips and tricks, and our woes of the week, and just have a fun time encouraging each other in the week ahead. I do all kinds of videos on happy planners, on art journaling and junk journaling, and cross-stitch, embroidery, all kinds of fun things, as well as diamond painting. Lots and lots of diamond painting. So I hope you can join us for some more divas, and join our Facebook group as well. Thank you for joining Wanda's Workbasket. See you soon. Bye.